Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we are talking about one of the most famous spices in the world. Turmeric. Bright golden color. Unique flavor. A long history of traditional use. For centuries, turmeric has been used in cooking across Asia, the Middle East, and many other regions. Today, turmeric is enjoyed around the world. People add it to soups. People add it to rice dishes. People drink turmeric tea. Some even enjoy turmeric in warm milk. But turmeric offers much more than color and flavor. Let's begin with antioxidants. Turmeric contains natural plant compounds. These compounds help protect cells from oxidative stress. Cell protection is an important part of long-term wellness. Another important benefit is digestion. Many people enjoy turmeric as part of a balanced diet because it may help support digestive comfort. A healthy digestive system plays an important role in overall health. Then comes heart health. Turmeric contains beneficial compounds that are often studied for their role in supporting cardiovascular wellness. A healthy heart helps deliver oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. Another important area is healthy aging. Colorful plant foods rich in antioxidants are often included in nutrition plans that focus on long-term wellness. Now let's talk about joints. Many people include turmeric in their daily routine because it is associated with maintaining an active lifestyle. Staying active is important at every age. Another important benefit is brain health. A balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods may help support normal brain function. Then comes immunity. Turmeric contains natural plant compounds that contribute to overall wellness. A strong lifestyle includes balanced nutrition, good sleep, and regular physical activity. Another advantage is versatility. Turmeric can be added to vegetables. It can be added to soups. It can be mixed into tea. It can be used in healthy recipes. Now let's discuss daily wellness. Small healthy habits often have a powerful impact over time. Adding nutrient-rich foods to your meals is one example. Another interesting fact is that turmeric has become popular far beyond traditional cuisine. Today it is enjoyed by millions of people worldwide. But here is the truth. No single spice can create perfect health. Health comes from balance. Good nutrition matters. Exercise matters. Sleep matters. Stress management matters. Everything works together. Now here is the key message. Turmeric is more than a colorful spice. It contains natural compounds that may support digestion, heart health, daily wellness, and healthy aging. Small healthy choices repeated every day can make a big difference over time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care.